So, this is a bit of a late one. Oops. Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and this is the brand new LG Velvet. Well, technically it is brand new. However, this thing has been out on the market for a while. But wait, I can explain. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So, the actual story behind this box is LG sent this out to me at launch a few months ago. But right after it came in, I got real busy and things started getting crazy, you know, true 2020 style. And plus, I also moved apartments, so I had to just wait until things settled down a bit before I started shooting again. So, here we are. Please bear with me as I try to play catch up with all the products that I got piled up in my studio. All right, so let's go see what's inside this box, what LG sent us. So, full disclosure, you won't be getting this box if you buy LG Velvet. This is just a reviewer's kit, but I'm gonna let you inside and see what's up anyways. All right. Okay. And there you got the LG Velvet. All right, should I go this way or should I go that way? Yeah, LG Velvet. All right, let me turn this around. All right, so sitting on top, it's a playbook, which is a reviewer's guide, but the LG Velvet, you know, just giving you all the good info on what the Velvet is about. I mean, you probably already see some unboxing videos. I don't know, just saying. All right, put that to the side. Then you got some play cards, which is they just give you some little bit of snippets. And this is about the display, and they're giving you a couple bullet points about the display. We're definitely gonna check that out. And this is the design, because you know everything is about this amazing design. There you go. And sitting on top, right there, it's a LG Velvet AT&T version. Let's see if I can get it out. All right, I'm struggling here. Struggling. Pull this out. Okay, yeah. There's a couple more stuff under the bottom. There you go. So let me pull these out. So, right here you got skin, a design skin case for your LG Velvet. Got a dual screen action. And you got the LG Velvet sanitizer. Yeah. And then got some accessory, which is your power adapter for your sanitizer. We're gonna check out all this stuff in this video, so stick around. It's gonna be good. First things first, it's LG Velvet, and I brought my little unboxing knife, but I don't think I'm gonna need it anyways, because all right, it's already partially open. All right, so presentation. There you go. That's the LG Velvet, and ooh, look at that. Man, it's shiny. Let me see what's inside before I start digging inside that one, figuring out what's up. So, you pop this little lid open, usual stuff, that AT&T stuff. And then this is LG's commitment to giving you a peace of mind. All right, in the box, get your getting started manual guide. And then USB type C to A. And then you poke your pin, opening the SIM card tray, and then you got your standard LG 18-watt fast charger. And now for the main attraction, LG Velvet. Warning, This is the last time you're gonna see it looking like this. Smudge free. Let me get these off. Left some residue, but there you go. This is the very last time you're gonna see it looking this beautiful. But man, look at that thing. And you know, true AT&T style, they had to put that tramp stamp on there at AT&T. And they even try to put the colors in there too. If you look, you can see that blue and color. AT&T, come on, man. All right, that's the display. It's off right now. And look at this thing. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This thing got me drooling right now. Oh. I think I'm in love with this design, man. LG got a hit on their hands. Yeah. There you go. Look how thin that thing is. That's some serious thinness. And on the top, you got your SIM card tray and your microphone. Yeah, you can see it. And the antennas. If you notice, you got your antennas right there for your 5G, because this is 5G compatible. Then at the bottom, I'm gonna give you some sexy B-roll behind this one, hopefully, but there you go. You see, it's got USB Type-C, got your speaker port, and there you go. Bam! In your face. Headphone jack. All right, let's keep this one moving. I'm gonna turn this on, I'm gonna set it up. Before we do that, let's see this design skin case. Let's see, design skin. What do we have here? All right, cool. All right, it's a really nice case. It's really well built too. It's almost have that leather-like feeling, but it's not leather. There you go. It says design skin on the inside. Well, let me get that smudge off. It says design skin on the inside. And that's what the back looks like. Get you some grip, some design skin. It's a pretty cool case. Cut out on the bottom. Let's try it on and see. Velvet. Really nice. Nice fit. There you go, on the back. Got your cameras. At the bottom, there you can see, got cutouts perfectly too. All right, yeah, design skin case. I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna set it up, then we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is this dual screen case. As a matter of fact, let's get it out of the box right now, and then turn it on and set it up. So I do need my knife after all, because this one is kind of sealed. Let's see. Get that out of the way. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. LG is making moves. Would you look at that? Now, if you know anything about the LG V60 and the dual screen case that it came with, let me take this off. All right, there you go. That's the LG Velvet dual screen case. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this one. Then you got the buttons on the side, the hinge. That's what it looks like on the inside. There you go. A lot has changed since the LG V60. And I'm gonna do a little comparison, a little side-by-side comparison. But let's put the Velvet inside the dual screen case and see what does it look like. Obviously it's not gonna turn on because I didn't turn it on yet, but you still can see. That's what it looks like. The dual screen case. Wow, nice. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna come right back because I'm gonna take some pictures, I'm gonna take a little video. We're gonna see what's up. So for you, it's gonna probably be like a split second. And for me, it's probably gonna be like maybe an hour. Let's go. All right, so we're back. And I have to say, I'm absolutely impressed by the design and overall the display and everything about this phone. I'm not saying that I'm not being biased just because LG sent it out. Don't think that. I'm just saying this thing is amazing. It's almost like a work of art, this design and the display so far from what I've seen. The design and everything. And I'm actually really impressed and I'm really loving it so far. But check this out. This is it compared to my LG V60. This is my LG V60. That's how they look like. So this is the V60 on the left and the Velvet on the right, what they look like. And the V60 got that white back with the camera going across. But look at that cool water droplet camera from the, got some crazy fingerprint. You can't escape fingerprints on this, I'm just saying, unless you put a skin on it or you got a case on it, like a design skin case. But that's what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like compared to my P40 Pro. There you go, the P40 Pro right there and the LG Velvet. Probably gonna give you some nice B-roll so you can see. And also that's the display versus display. All right, you already know with the Pixel 4a, it's really small compared to this one. Look at that, really small. LG Velvet versus the Pixel 4a. And then I think I got another one, which is right here. We got the LG G8. Just in case a lot of people didn't know, the LG G8 was last year's model and they were supposed to drop the LG G9, but instead they dropped the Velvet. And this is their new, entry to a new final frontier. So G8 versus G9, AKA LG Velvet. That's what it looks like. As you can see, it's a much bigger phone. Display's much larger, everything. So let's put these back to the side. Enough of the comparisons. And let's talk about the star of the show, the LG Velvet. So this is what it looks like when it's on inside the dual screen case. And I'm really liking this dual screen case. Let me show you something. So this is my LG V60 dual screen case. This is what it looks like, and this is what the Velvet looks like. Now you may not be able to notice it right now, but this one is much thinner and much thinner right now. If you can see, it's much thinner. And kind of looks smaller too. It is about the same size, almost, but it is thinner though. What it looks like when they're open. Velvet versus the V60. I know that's a whole lot of reflection going on. Anyway, I'm gonna put in some smooth B-roll so you can see what I'm talking about. But let's talk about the star of the show, the LG Velvet, and what I think from using it so far. So far, from my initial impressions, the LG Velvet is a big phone. It is 6.8 inches, but it looks and feels kind of small in the hands. And I think this was LG's intention with their new 3D art design that they characterize as flowing lines and curved corners, which result in this sleek, polished finish that looks really good and feels good in the hand. And despite this new sexy design, which I love personally, one of the main standout features of this smartphone is actually the raindrop camera module that actually gives the effect of a descending water droplet, which looks pretty cool if you ask me. I have to say, I really like where LG is going with this new roadmap, and it was a great idea for them to kick things off with the Velvet. It's bold and sleek, plus comfortable in the hands, and definitely make a statement, and also turns a few heads at the same time. I'm definitely going to be putting this through its paces over the next few days or so, and that way I can give you my thoughts after living with it for a while. But so far, it seemed like it's giving you a lot of what you would expect from a more expensive premium flagship that costs twice as much. Obviously, there are a few trade-offs and a couple of corners cut in order to achieve this price. But we're gonna see how does all of that affect my overall experience while using this beauty. Like I said, this thing is sleek with a fluid-like appearance and this beautiful display. Apart from some consistent performance, what else can you ask? Well, we're definitely gonna find out in my full review, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you wanna support a brother, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.